Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 28th of November to the 2nd of December 2022 on Monday. Nomsa and Shoki continue to struggle with their separation and reassure with guilty about her actions on Tuesday. Soka's action caused Faith the client, which leaves her furious, and Dorothy overhears something she shouldn't have on Wednesday. Shoki gets an unexpected ally to help her with her struggle while Dorothy is caught between Mulefe and Funani on Thursday. Everyone is curious about where Shoki found her new confidence. Meanwhile, Ona and Funani discuss an emotional subject on Friday. Ona is forced to come up with an excuse, leaves Rhea fuming while Shoki gears up for her first real shoot while Mampo waits in the wings. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.